Hi, this is Baiju here and I welcome you all to another video of Stella. In this video, I will be sharing an interesting trick that you can use to solve a Rubik's Cube. Without wasting time, let's get started. Excuse me, can you give me that Rubik's Cube? Thank you. So this is the Rubik's Cube. So when you speak about Rubik's Cube, it will have 6 faces and 6 colors. Once you mix it, it will become like this. So let's get started. So let's understand about layers in a Rubik's Cube. This is the first layer and this is second layer and this one is third layer. Next is all about corners in a Rubik's Cube. If you see, this is corner which will have 3 colors. Here we have white, red and green combination. This is a corner. So next thing is all about edges. Edges will have 2 colors. Here we have blue and red combination. This is a edge. Next thing is all about center position. We'll have 1 color. So here we have orange color as center. Here we have blue color as center. So next thing is all about how to catch this Rubik's Cube. So first thing you need to remember, this yellow center position need to be always facing ceiling, and next this white color, it will be facing to the ground layer. So hold the cube like this, and next thing is all about making a plus symbol with white color. So center position will be yellow. Okay, now we are having a white and a blue combination edges. So if you see, this white color is having a supporting color as blue. So obviously this center position must be blue. If you turn this one, you will get blue. Okay, this is done. Next thing, you need to fix this position. So we will try. Here we have white and supporting color is orange. If you turn this one, it will not be solved. So to do this one, you can do like this, and turn this front facing, and you are done. So supporting color orange is matching the center positions. Done. Next we have blue, green and white combination. Same thing you can do. So white, green and supporting color center position is green. It's matched. So if you turn like this white is not matching to the top position. So you can do the same technique. Turn like this. So without disturbing this, you can put it back. It's done. And white edge with a red combination is already matched. You can do like this. So our first step is completed successfully. Now if you turn like this, you got a perfect plus symbol and all the center position matching the edges. It is done. Green with green, orange with orange, blue with blue. It's done. Next our target is to fix this layer. We need to fix this with white color. Here it should be red and here it should be blue. Same thing you have to apply here, blue and orange. So to do this, we need to understand one formula for right hand. Next time you need to understand about left hand algorithm. So first we will understand how to do right hand algorithm. So hold the cube, as I said earlier, yellow center position need to be facing the ceiling. Hold the cube with your left hand. With your right hand, R, U, R reverse and U reverse. This is what the right hand algorithm is all about. So how to do this? Hold the cube with your left hand. With your right hand you can apply the formula R, U, R reverse and U reverse. It's done. So here we need blue and here we need orange. This is what the exact thing is. You can do like this. It will be shifted. And you can check this color as well. Here we have blue, orange, white. White should come over here. Blue must be here shifted, as well as orange need to be shifted here. Same thing you can apply. Hold the cube with your left hand. With your right hand, apply the formula. R, U, R reverse and U reverse. So it's done. White, blue and orange combination corner is fixed. Next thing, here we have green, orange, white. So same thing you can check it over here. Orange is over here, green is over here. You can apply the right hand algorithm. Hold the cube with your left hand. With right hand, you can apply the formula R, U, R reverse, U reverse. Check it is not fixed. Apply the formula one more time. R, U, R reverse and U reverse. It's not fixed. One more time. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. It's done. After applying the formula for 3 times, this corner is fixed. Next you need to take care of this one. Red, green, white. Here we have red, here we have green. This is the exact position. Apply the formula. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. Check whether it is fixed or not. It is not fixed. Apply the formula one more time. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. Check whether it is fixed. No. One more time. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. It's done. So we have another one corner, red, blue, white combination. Red, blue and white combination. So apply the formula R, U, R reverse, U reverse. Check whether it is fixed. No. One more time. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. One more time. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. One more time. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. So once you solve this white layer over the bottom, all the colors, supporting colors will be matched. Check. It is solved. Next thing you need to take care about of the second layer. So here we need to fix all those edges. So these edges need to be fixed. Next we need to understand about left hand algorithm. How to do this? As I said earlier, this yellow center position need to be facing the ceiling. Hold the cube with your right hand and perform the algorithm with your left hand. L, U, L reverse and U reverse. This is what your left hand algorithm is. One more time. L, U, L reverse and U reverse. So if you see, if you want to solve this second layer, we need to take care of 2 things. One thing is, this particular edge need to be shifted either your left hand side or your right hand side. This particular edge need to be swapped to your left hand position. This red color, it need to be fixed over here and this blue color need to be swapped over here. So in order to do this, we need to turn this upper layer towards your right hand side. Once you turn this upper layer to your right hand side, you need to start algorithm with your left hand. L, U, L reverse and U reverse. Turn the cube like this and perform right hand algorithm. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. It is done. This particular edge is swapped. Now here we have green and red combination. We should not take yellow combinations. If you see this combination, we are having red and yellow. We should never choose this. You can choose this green and red combination because this green in this edge is matching the center position. Now we need to swap this to your left hand side since this red color and green color is the exact position. So if you want to shift this particular edge to your left hand side, turn this upper layer towards your right hand side and perform the algorithm with your left hand. L, U, L reverse and U reverse. Turn the cube. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. It's done. If you see, green and orange combination is mismatched. We need orange color over here and green color over here. How we will do this? Same thing you can apply. Turn this upper layer towards your right hand side and start performing algorithm with your right hand. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. Turn the cube like this and perform the algorithm for left hand. L, U, L reverse, U reverse. Now it is exactly shifted. Now if you see this edge having orange and blue combination is already swapped. We need this particular edge towards our right hand side in the second layer. How to do this? If you want this particular edge moved to your right hand side, you need to turn this upper layer towards your left hand side and perform the algorithm with your right hand side. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. Turn the cube and perform left hand algorithm. L, U, L reverse, U reverse. It's done. Next thing, you have the edges orange and green combination. If you see, this orange color is matching the center position orange. So this is the exact position where you need to swap these colors. You want this particular edge need to be swapped to the left hand side. If you want this edges to your left hand side, turn the upper layer to your right hand side. Once you turn the upper layer to your right hand side, perform the algorithm with your left hand. L, U, L reverse, U reverse. Turn the cube like this and perform right hand algorithm. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. It's done. So we have successfully completed our first two layers. So next thing we need to do is to make a plus symbol with yellow combination. If you see, we are having a 9 o'clock position. So how to do a plus symbol at the top layer with yellow combination? So to do this one, hold this 9 o'clock position with your left hand and turn this front facing clockwise direction. It's done. And perform a right hand algorithm 2 times. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. One more time. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. And turn this front facing anti-clockwise direction. So your plus symbol is done. Your plus symbol is done. Assume you may end up with a minus symbol. Here we need to have a plus symbol. You are having a minus combination in your top layer. So you should not hold this cube in vertical position. You need to maintain this in a horizontal position. Same thing you can apply. Turn the front facing clockwise direction and perform right hand algorithm 1 time. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. Turn the front facing anti-clockwise direction. Your plus symbol is ready. Next, your target is to make this corners matched. If you see blue, orange, yellow. Here we have blue, orange and yellow. This corner is perfectly matched. Here if you see red, blue, yellow. Here we have orange, green and yellow. This corner is not matched. Here we have green, orange, yellow. Here we have green, red, yellow. This is not matched. So this corner is also not matched. The only corner matched is this combination. Blue, orange, yellow. Blue, orange and yellow. So hold this matched corner in your left hand and perform 3 times right hand algorithm and turn the cube and perform 3 times left hand algorithm. Let's get started. Hold the cube. This is the exact corner matched with your left hand. 3 times right hand algorithm. It's done. Now can we check it? So this combination is matched. Orange, green, yellow. Orange, green, yellow. Here it is not matched. Here we have a matching corner. Blue, red, yellow. Blue, red and yellow. It's matched. If you see, we have a diagonal matches. The corner is matched in a diagonal position. So hold the matched corner with your left hand and same formula you need to apply 3 times right hand algorithm, turn the cube and perform 3 times left hand algorithm. So this is the corner which is matched. Hold this in your left hand and perform the algorithm. So it is completed. Can we check now? Yes. So blue, red, and yellow. This corner is matched. And if you see red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow. This corner is also matched. And these two corners were matched. So as I said earlier, hold the corner which is matched with your left hand and perform the algorithm 3 times right hand algorithm, turn the cube and perform 3 times left hand algorithm. So these two corners already matched. So hold this with your left hand and start performing the algorithm. Finally, all the corners were matched. Red, green, yellow. Red, green, yellow. It's matched. Red, blue, yellow. Red, blue and yellow. It's matched. Blue, orange, yellow. Blue, orange, yellow. This is matched. So now next our target is to make this entire surface filled with yellow color. So for the very first time, turn the cube and make white color facing the ceiling. As you know how to do this. In order to do this, we need to apply only one algorithm. This is all about right hand algorithm. So hold the cube with your left hand and start performing the algorithm. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. Check whether it is done. No. One more time. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. It's done. It's fixed. Hold the cube with your left hand. You should never change the position. Turn this particular layer and make available this yellow color available for performing the algorithm. Now start performing the algorithm. R, U, R reverse and U reverse. Check it is not fixed. One more time. It's done. Turn this particular layer and make yellow color available for performing the algorithm. One more time. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. One more time. R, U, R reverse, U reverse. So it's done. So we have our yellow color fixed. It's done. If you see this particular edge with yellow combination, blue and yellow combination is matching the center. Remaining 3 positions are not matching. So if you face this situation, keep the edge which is matched facing your face and perform right hand algorithm one time. Once it is done, perform left hand algorithm one time. Again you need to perform right hand algorithm 5 times. Again 5 times left hand algorithm. Let's get started. So it is solved. Assume in a situation all the edges are not matching the center position. Early we have this blue edge matching with the blue center position, and we started performing the algorithm by keeping the matched center edges and center position towards our face, and performed algorithms like one time right hand algorithm, one time left, and again 5 times right and 5 times left. So in a situation none of the edges are matching the center position, you can choose any of the edge and perform the algorithm, then it will get solved. Hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share this with your friends. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. Do subscribe to our channel for further updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.